Hello everyone, today I am making chicken. So here are the masalas which I am adding, the normal masalas. It is zira powder, cumin powder, turmeric, chicken masala and meat masala as well. So we are just preparing the delicious Nepali cuisine. So here are a little bit sneak peek of how we normally Nepali people make our normal lunch or dinner. So as you can see, I have added turmeric powder as well. Here goes the masalas, which is the meat masala. And now goes the chicken masala. So I'm just preparing a powder. Now in the pan, which we call karai, I have added the zira seed and red chili and the bay leaf, just to add the authentic taste of the masalas. And here it goes the onion. Let it fry for a moment until it gets a little bit brownish. I was a little bit scared with the oil because it may pop up and touch my skin, and you know how it hurts. After that, give it a mix to it and just stir fry it down. Now, I'm sorry. Now, when the onion is done the frying process, after some time, every people know how to prepare chicken, whatever. We are just trying to show the sneak peek of it. I just added ginger garlic paste and give it a mix again. Ignore the back talkings, gossip is going on. And now then I'll add the paste which I have made with adding the masalas. I'll put it in the karai. Oh, it looks delicious, right? Now give it a mix to it and let it cook for 2 minutes, just in a medium flame. And don't forget to use your utensils properly. And then I added tomatoes to make a nice gravy of it. And then I wanted to add radish. Here it goes. That's it. Chicken with radish. People should try it. Nepali love this kind of dish for our dinner or for our lunch. Let it cook for some time. it. I just added oil, ginger, garlic, and green chilies. I was a bit scared of the oil as it mentioned it earlier. The chicken is already cooking. I added a bit of water into it so that it cooks well and rests well. Then I added onion for the karchi marchi, we call it in Nepali. Fry the onion properly. Like, I am not the experienced cook, but I just try to make it normally at home. And now we'll take a minute. I'll slice it and just cook it for some time. And I added salt, Kashmiri lal mirch, and turmeric. And let it cook for a while so that the onion cooks well. I'm so sorry for my voice. You know, I mentioned it earlier. This is the first time I'm doing it, so please pardon my mistakes. So I added the meat, and then on top of that I added meat masala, and just mix it well and let it cook for some time. Masala is like leaving the oil, which means it is cooking properly, and I like it more tasty, so I cook it for a bit long time. Okay, now the chicken is almost ready. I added the coriander on top of it, and the chicken is boiling very quickly. Now here it comes another dish. It is the dal in Nepali, which is black seed dal. I don't know the exact name of it, what we call it in English, but normally we call it kalu dal. I just added a little bit of oil, and then ginger, garlic, chili, some onions. Like it, added turmeric, Kashmiri lal mirch, and here comes the dal, which I have boiled already. And those in the pan, and it's done boiling. Ta-da! The dishes are ready, and I will say it looks tempting, isn't it? If you liked it, do comment, and just this is the small presentation I'm trying to serve it. I just did it for my mama, so I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to his channel, and it's delicious. Let me eat it.